In front of me I've got SONY WF-C700N. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your headphones. Firstly, you can check it by this LED light right here. After you'll open the lid of the charging case, you'll have the LED light. The green means that the battery is high, orange means it's medium, and red means it's low. Also, if your headphones are connected with Android smartphone, you can go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Connect it. And battery level is located right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.